This is activity 3.1 on page 94, using find and replace to edit. The file that we will be working on is fact sheet efficiency. Throughout the fact sheet, you've used BWH as shorthand for building with heart. One of the people who reviewed the document has asked that you spell out the organization name everywhere it appears. You'll use find and replace to locate every instance of BWH and make the change. So we're going to open the document for editing. I'm going to launch Word 2019. From my landing page, select Open Other Documents. Click on my Browse button. In the left pane, I'm going to select this PC, then scroll down to find my home drive. Double click, scroll down for Word Part 1. Lesson 3 is titled Working More Efficiently, so all of our documents that we'll be working on will be in this subfolder. I'm going to double click to open, and you should have two documents: Directory Dupe Format and Fact Sheet Efficiency. So I'm going to select Fact Sheet Efficiency and open. And letter C says to zoom the document to the page width. So if you'd go to View, Zoom, select Page Width. And number 2, we're going to search and replace text. Press Control Home to move the insertion point to the beginning of the document. So Control and Home, make sure that insertion point is before building. On the Home tab, in the editing group, we're going to select the replace command, and this opens up our find and replace dialog box. You want to make sure you're on your replace tab. In the find what text box, we're going to enter BWH, and in the replace text box, we're going to spell out building with heart. We're going to select our More button to expand our dialog box. And we want to make sure that we match case, because we don't, if there was a word maybe that had the letters BWH lowercase in it, we don't want it to replace those letters with building with heart. Just where capital B, capital W, capital H comes. And we're going to hit Find Next. And if I move my dialog box, scoot it out of the way, it finds the first instance in the first paragraph. We're going to hit the Replace button, and it automatically brings us to the next instance, which is at the end of that paragraph. Now we could go ahead and replace them one by one, or we can just hit Replace All, and it says all done. We made 6 replacements, and we can click OK. And we can close out of our dialog box. And then we can save our edited document in a new file. So remember, we're starting a new chapter, a new file. We're going to do File, Save As. We're going to save it to our current folder, Working More Efficiently. And we're going to just update this to My Fact Sheet Efficiency. Click Save. Make sure your title bar reflects that. We'll leave this open for our next activity.